Hello world, Darren Martineau here from Team Freedom. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you how to get more traffic to your websites and offers and how to do lead magnets. So what I'd like to talk about is, first of all, I'd like to talk about how to get free traffic to your website. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get traffic to your website and offers. I'm going to give you a free ebook on 88 traffic strategies. So stay to the end of this video and you will see exactly how to get that. Now, these days, more people are doing bonus shopping before they buy anything online. People just don't go online. They look for reviews, they look for big bonuses because they're going to get incentivized. They're going to get a lot better deals. That's why adding better bonuses to your offers and promotions isn't just a tactic, it's a game changer in affiliate marketing. Uh, a bonus offer is basically an ethical bribe. It's when you offer a prospect something of value for free as an incentive for them to buy from you instead of someone else. Anything that is a digital product that can be downloaded is something that can be used as a bonus. We recommend ebooks and video courses because people love them and they're easy to deliver. You can deliver them with Google Drive, okay, for free. Now, did you know Team Freedom gives you free PLR products that you can use as bonuses? That's right. So when you join today, I'm going to share with you the secrets of creating compelling bonuses that make your offers even better so that your affiliate offers will stand out in the crowd. People will buy it from you instead of someone else. Now, um, now, I'm going to share the secrets of creating these compelling bonuses to make your offers even better. I've included um, a lot of free training and even bonuses on the inside of the free training of Team Freedom. So the Team Freedom funnel is what I call this. Now, um, what I want you to do is click on the link, and then you're going to put in your email. You'll get access to the videos and the ebooks and everything that I'm talking about here. You'll get access to the trainings. So you're going to get this free ebook, 88 Traffic Strategies. It's inside here. We also have a private Facebook group where I'm adding more and more training. So first thing you want to do is identify the right bonuses. Learn to match the bonuses with your core offers for maximum appeal. The second, create value. Discover how to create or source bonuses that provide real value, enhancing a perceived worth of your purchase. Uh, Next, boost conversions. See how the bonuses can dramatically increase your conversion rates by providing additional incentives for buyers. You can use bonuses to incentivize your email subscribers so they will buy from you. What a great way to create more value. So remember, uh, I've provided these free products with PLR rights that you can use as bonuses. So click on the link and learn how to boost your sales today, and I'll see you on the inside. Thank you very much.